This is the Residency program, where Global Logic and Method open their doors to bright minds from across the globe to learn, push themselves, and build together. Whether your passion lies in product management, design, or software engineering, this program offers an immersive, hands-on experience. You'll dive deep into the end-to-end product development, receive direct mentorship in your areas of interest from industry experts, and work alongside your peers to build a digital product. We kick off our summer program with an immersive design sprint that demonstrates how we approach intelligent product development for clients across the globe. You'll go from sketching ideas, wireframing prototypes, developing an architecture and codebase, and continuously iterating on product feedback by testing with real users. You'll create and collaborate with teammates to learn new skills, conquer fears, grow your network, make an impact, and have fun along the way. But it's not just about learning to build products that are desirable, viable, and feasible. We believe in the power of fostering a sense of camaraderie through team-building events and mentorship. Join us at Global Logic and Method for your next career step.